know, for a turtle, you move quite fast.
Tucker, we just get you on camera taking a poop? Oh, it's bright. All right, here we are. We're back. Just us two tonight. Kind of do some moving around of things. Because the picnic table is
reorganize.
not near the fire pit. Fire pit's over there. Picnic table is directly behind us. That's not going to work. So move that around, get supper going. Nothing special tonight, just some burgers and potatoes. Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
We attempted to go last week, but we can get into that later.
Yeah. I want a toasty marshmallow treat tonight over the fire.
Yeah, that was
I'm pulling it out. I'm putting it on the table so I don't forget. Otherwise, I'm going to forget.
That was one of the things that we were unable to do on our last attempted trip. So today's a good day for it.
Yeah.
Time to get out the grill.
The Blackstone.
Yeah. Maybe a fire starter for later.
Yeah.
Well,
Gotta love Blackstone. That is not a good idea. Like I said.
great idea. It worked.
Oh, I smell burnt hair.
That's my hand and my arm. See all the Crispies? Right there.
That's not safe.
There is Murderberry tea, white cherry liquid death. There's the Fruity Pebbles liquid death, the Clearly Canadian, regular sparkling water, extra caffeinated Black Rifle coffee.
No. I'll try the tea.
Okay. Slaughterberry. That's what it was. You want to take a look? Think that's enough potatoes?
I'm sure it'll be perfect, honey.
Thanks for your vote of confidence.
You're welcome.
I heard some noise across the road while we were cooking the potatoes low and slow. We've got a mama and her baby. Baby still got spots in the early to mid part of August. So, yeah. Baby is unfazed. But it is nice and quiet here. Any other campers are on the other side of this loop / circle. Hey guys, how's it going? Don't seem too alarmed. I know, you're waiting for Mom's snort. Well, Mama, your baby's got good instincts. Took 2 more steps and she jumped out of the way. She is just right there. You enjoying your snacks? Well, potatoes are still cooking. Just got a few videos of Mama and baby deer. Taters are browning nicely. A couple more minutes, we should be ready for some burgers. Well, here's supper for tonight. Burgers, sharp cheddar, Parmesan Asiago rolls, seasoned potatoes, apparently a friend.
Check out our forks, guys. Nathan is so talented. He like dipped this end in like ferric chloride to make like waves, and then he just like flamed the rest of it to change the colors since they're titanium. So now they're like blue and purple and burgundy. They're so cool.
Yeah, definitely more beautiful now than they were before.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I have little slices of tomatoes, some spicy pickles, and some mushrooms on mine. Chris is just straight meat and cheese.
It's definitely weird with it being a little later in the summer that it's going to be dark in an hour.
Yeah.
Also going to be cool tonight. Don't have to worry about sweating while we sleep. We've been lucky tonight so far. Haven't heard too many other campers. Occasional scream from a child or bathroom door shutting. Keep hoping we're going to see a bear on our way in here or anywhere up here in northern Wisconsin. I've not seen one yet this year. Saw turkeys today.
Mama with babies. Well, they weren't really babies.
But half of a full-size group.
Right?
It's kind of funny thinking about it, how most people on YouTube skip over the cleaning up of the dishes part. It's not that exciting. Everybody has to do it.
Yep.
It's about 7:30 and it says 78 degrees. It does not feel like 78. I'm thinking closer to 70.
Yeah. I'm like almost ready for my sweater.
Right now, we're just sitting here waiting for the fire to go. Slowly starting. Probably going to save the other 2 packs of wood for in the morning. It's supposed to be quite chilly. Upper 50s, low 60s overnight. Random people driving by.
Yep. Gotta do their laps. They're not walking them, they're driving them.
Well, been sitting here reading and playing games on our phones, and Kata is ready to light her Rice Krispie treat on fire.
Don't want to light it on fire. I wanted the fire to die down some, but it's getting really dark outside, so.
Yes, it is. It's about 20 after 8. It's officially sunset, but there is a little bit of light in the western sky. A few more bugs are coming out as I smack my ear. But good time for a snack. So there's a time lapse of us looking like idiots and me waving my arm trying to get the light to go. Oops. But it's only 8:40, but I think we're gonna start getting ready for bed soon.
It's getting chilly.
I wouldn't say chilly, but You know, like in 20 minutes to an hour, it's going to feel nice under that comforter.
Yeah.
So, sick of getting bitten by bugs. Just on my ankles. There we go. Got the light, the yellow color. Attract all the bugs.
Insane. Keep that sucker on. Turn off the motion sensing. Just have it on. Keep all the bugs away.
Yeah. I just like the motion sensing on for at night.
Well, yeah, like once we're in bed, plug it back in, but
Wakes me the hell up, let me tell you that.
yeah, it does. It's bright.
Not that we've ever had an issue at night besides raccoons, but
True.
it just makes you feel better knowing there's something waking you up. Hey, we're back. Well, we're all ready for bed. I think we killed the final mosquito. There's one or two in here, but the rest have stayed out. Ooh. I shouldn't be tired. It's only about 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
It has definitely been a nice, quiet night. Not too many interruptions. Nothing from work.
Yeah.
Just a nice meal, fire. Couple beverages.
Good company.
I'm your company.
I know.
Well, I guess we will see y'all in the morning, and that's about it.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night. Well, good morning. Let's try this again. Battery died on the last one. Sun is slowly coming out, but it was not too cold last night. Just cold enough for a fire this morning before we head out. But
Yeah, it was comfortable sleeping last night.
I almost wish I would have had my window open more.